we have to let this government know that we are talking about a wage structure that must ensure that the average worker and the average citizen has a kind of purchasing power that is going to drive the economy in a particular way. The people who run in small businesses are suffering because it's all of us here who partake in those small businesses, because we are the ones who spend our money in Trinidad and Tobago. The big businessmen don't spend the money in Trinidad and Tobago. There's an expatriate the funds outside and buy big thing in Miami. When you see where Calder had living now? Miami. And we have stadium and all kind of thing hung up with all kind of billions of dollars. They don't spend the money in Trinidad. It's we who spend our money in Trinidad and Tobago. And we are demanding from the trade union movement that we must be given our just due. And we must reject 5% totally. It is not going to cut it no way in Trinidad and Tobago, comrades. Never, ever, ever. Comrades, in closing, this is the beginning of a journey. This is the beginning of a journey to educate. And as a comrade, they say to edify people, because we want to bring the real facts to you in Trinidad and Tobago. Nobody, and we want them to do it just as the place, the policeman's salary on the papers. Why the hell they don't place give salary on the papers? Let me see how the breakdown is the $100 and something thousand that he getting, and he can't solve one blasted crime in Trinidad and Tobago yet. How the hell that will be just? That could never be just in Trinidad and Tobago, comrades. Never ever. We want them to print all the salaries for all the big executives in all them state companies, and let me determine what is direct and indirect compensation. Let me determine how much percent they get every year. We want them to print in TSTT. The bonus that managers get $70 million a year for 400 managers. $70 million a year for 400 managers. When they decide to pay bonus, there doesn't have enough people buy stolen motors and them, because they don't line up to buy a new car already. That is how they operate. And that is the inequity we are saying in Trinidad and Tobago. We as the Joint Trade Union Leaders Group must stamp out once and for all. Comrades, we are on a journey of equity, a journey of justice. Forward ever, backward never. Forward ever, backward never. We say no to Dukenomics, no to Mr. Dukaran and that stupidness. And every time he print up papers and put a lie, we must tell him that's a damn God-given lie. Thank you, comrades. Enjoy the balance of your night.